via the motor neuron. We shall get to all of that. Then, still under sensory physiology, it also covers an aspect of neurophysiology known as special senses. Like you all know, we have 5 sense organs, which are the eye, the ear, the skin, the nose, and the tongue. Alright, these special senses, examples are vision, that is visual sensations, hearing sensations, balance during movement, then you have taste sensation, smell sensations. Okay, these aspects of neurophysiology is taught under what we call the special senses physiology. That you would do in neurophysiology 2, not in neurophysiology 1. So it's a special aspect of neurophysiology where you are taught the physiology of the eye, the ear, the nose, the tongue, and the skin. Lastly, we have what is called visceral sensation. Visceral sensations are sensations arising from the body organs, from inside the body. Alright, for example, if you have a pain coming from the heart is an internal organ. Alright, that kind of sensation is visceral sensation. Alright, still under visceral sensation, you could have reflexes such as stretch reflex and all of that, knee jerk, withdrawal reflex, all of that we are going to study under the reflex arc and spinal reflexes. Is among the topics that we will cover in this class. Then, what are the physiological significance of sensory physiology? Number 1 is that it helps us to maintain body homeostasis. 2 is that it helps us to coordinate motor responses. 3 is that it helps us to protect our bodies from harm. In fact, one of the most important functions of sensory physiology and spinal reflexes or reflexes. Oh my goodness. Or reflexes in the body are to help us protect the body against harm. Alright, for example, if you are walking and you step on a hot coal or a sharp nail, what do? You withdraw that body part from the nauseous stimulus. Another thing is, if you are feeling pain, then you know that something is wrong somewhere. It's a warning sign. You have to go see your doctor. So these things helps us to protect the body from damage, and then it enables perception, recognition, and human behavior. It tells us, like I told you, one of the key aspects of physiology, in fact, is to help us regulate all human behavior. I'm talking about neurophysiology. And recognition of objects and faces are also there, and then perception of stimuli from internal and external sources. Okay, Uh-huh. So any question after this? Questions from the floor? I think we still have time. This class might end by 12 p.m. I mean a.m. Are the students sleeping?
No, sir.
Okay. Please be awake. You said we have done receptors, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We did everything about receptors. Okay. Let's just summarize physiology of receptors and then we call it a night. So what are receptors? Receptors are biological transducers which convert one form of energy to action potential. Receptors are biological transducers which convert various forms of energy into what? Action potential. When we are talking about sensory physiology, we cannot talk about sensory physiology without mentioning receptors or without understanding the physiology of receptors. It's very key. In fact, every drug you take will bind to receptors in the body for them to perform their physiological effects. Yeah?